Landscaping the trailer park, when in doubt, winter out. Remove this big old boulder. Try to. Oh, making room. Holy water, we got a freaking load. Let's see if the 440 will tow her. Or 440 or 420. Ain't no 500 like the old one. But she's got a little more snap to her. It's kind of terrifying. I'm definitely still getting used to the old foot shifter. Old man says I have no idea how you're gonna move that rock. Well, I have no idea if I'm gonna shit myself or not, but we're gonna try this out. Ooh, we call that a little corner post protection. That's a freaking rock. Oh boy, organizing scraps. This is where we're at. Oh. Oh, crazy pots.
They made fun of me along the way. They said I ain't got it going.
Record, George? Geez, guy. Well, we definitely underestimated how much corn was left. Figured there was a couple boxes in here, not a couple gosh dang stacks. Start popping corn. See where the, oh, just one over there. Oh, all right. That's it. We're done after that. We done after that.
They said I ain't got it going, so
Goosey,
play. They said that it's only just a dream, one that I'll never achieve. But I just kept my head up high, and I'm not giving up till I reach the sky. They can hate on me, but I had a song I wrote and sang that was on TV. I proved them wrong when the radio played my song. I just drowned them out, and I never had any doubt who I was gonna be.
40 minutes long, we cover about 7 miles, so it's a pretty good ride. But hold on to your hats, wigs, weaves, whatever you got, because it's very, very windy.
I don't care what they say.
I got to get you guys across this broken down old bridge without falling into the drink. And as I've learned, the way to do that is pick your feet up off the floor, hold your breath, we might have a chance, all right? If I honk the horn, I'm going to take you guys through the woods over here. It's like Jurassic Park out there. Keep your head on a swivel. We've seen deep. You kids on board, scavenger hunt. There's an emoji out there in the trees someplace you got to find, all right? Here we go.
They can hate on me, it's not about being on the big stage or in a magazine on the front page. It's about staying true and being you. The songs that I sing are from my heart. They've been that way from the start. They can hate on me, but I had a song I wrote and sang that was on TV. I proved them wrong when the radio played my song. I just